Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is very simple with less ingredients yet very tasty and healthy too. Whenever we have indigestion problem, the first thing my mama used to prepare us is this jeera chutney. It's very good for digestion and light on stomach. So let's quickly start the process. So in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 tablespoon of jeera and half teaspoon of peppercorn. Saute it well. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal and also 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Roast it well. Here I'm gonna add 2 onions roughly chopped. Saute it well. Add few curry leaves. And now I'm gonna add 1 tomato roughly chopped. Saute it well. Add salt to taste. Add half teaspoon of chili powder. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes until tomato becomes soft. Yeah, now you can see onions and tomatoes are cooked well. I'm going to take it out from the flame and cool it completely. Once it is done, I'm going to shift it to the blender. Add little bit of water and blend it. So here is our chutney ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Meet you in the next video.